Hi guys, it's me Luigi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I will have a reaction video for Stray Kids. Run it! So I don't know if my lighting is good right now, but time check it's 4:20. So let's go. Reaction. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated on my every upload. So let's go. Grabe, Stray Kids around the world. Grabe ang mga ano talaga nila, no? Ghost Bomb. Sungmin! This is also my bias. My bias is Felix and my bias bias. No, I don't know. Sometimes Ian, sometimes Songmin, but bias wrecker is Felix. My favorite part. I love this part. I love the audio or what you call it, the instrument. And I have also a picket of Felix, guys. I bought in Dominate Tour. Grabe, guys. Comment down below your bias in Stray Kids and I want to read it. Grabe. I love this music video. Oh my god! That's my bias. Oh my god, you know the effort of the production, the team, and also, alam niyo naman, every comeback ng Stray Kids is grabe yung mga music video nila, grabe yung mga, ano nila, di ba? Mga rap part nila, ganyan. I love it. Grabe yun, Jin. Isa din to sa mga naging bias ko. You know, parang wala namang mga fixed bias. Lahat na lang naging... Grabe. Oh my God, yun, Jin. Oh my God. Grabe ang angas. Wow. Feel ko si Felix yung magiging thumbnail natin dito, guys. Grabe ang rap part. Jongin na to, grabe. Oh my God. Jongin, oh my. Oh my God. Grabe. Best album of the year. My God, Bangchan. Grabe, I love this MV, guys. You need to stream this. If hindi nyo pa napapanood to stream this, guys. Support Stray Kids. Oh my God, Lino. Oh my God, you know, I love Lino. Also in Maniac era. Grabe. Grabe ang mga ano nila. Grabe ang pa-biceps naman. Pero ang ganda, nakita nyo ba? Black and white. Oh my God. Grabe. Video guys, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated my birthday. Bye-bye, say I love you all.